Morning everyone. Let us start with day 38 of our regular SAP FICO session. As discussed in the last session, today we will continue with designing the template allocation. As we already know, based on our cost component structure that we discussed in day 35, the indirect material will be allocated to the product cost based on the template allocation. So that is what is mentioned over here. The indirect material will be allocated to the product based on the template allocation. So we already know, to allocate based on the template allocation, we need one activity master, which is for the indirect material. This is activity master requirement. And after the configuration, we need the rate for this activity. Rate for this activity that will be set in KP26. So based on the order quantity, let's say we are producing 10 units in a particular order, and the rate that I have maintained is 10. For the indirect material, I have maintained 10 as the rate. Now the cost that will be loaded for this production order will be 10 into 10, that is 100. So this is how the template allocation functions. Let us design this. Going back, so the template allocation is available under controlling, product cost controlling, product cost planning. Under the basic setting for material costing, you have the templates. So you have two steps. One is the maintain templates and one is the assign templates. So let's go into the maintain templates. I have already created one, but let me create for one test. So give the code of the template structure, choose the environment, which is the production order in our case, click on enter, and from here you choose for the activity type, and in the object you choose your indirect material activity type. For our in our example, indirect material we will choose. And then for the planned quantity, we need the calculation to be based on the order quantity. Like if the order is created for 10 quantities, so those 10 quantities should be multiplied with the rate. So this is what we are setting up here and making it activate. Similarly, for the actual quantity also, our order quantity will be multiplied by the rate. Order total quantity, apply it and activate this and click on save. So this is how you design the template. And then going back, close it. Here you have the assign the templates. So the template has to be assigned against the controlling area, the costing sheet that we designed in day 37, the overhead key, and the environment. Environment is 001 for the production order, and you assign the template that you have created. So this is how you create and assign the template allocation. And the function of the template allocation, as already explained, is to allocate the activities cost, which cannot be directly confirmed on the production line. So these are some indirect nature of activity cost which will be allocated to the product. And for this, the material master, that is the master data that is required, is the activity master and the rate for this activity, wherein we understood that based on the setting in the template, if we are producing the order for 10 quantity and the rate that is maintained for this activity is 10, the quantity will be multiplied with the rate and the total cost of 100 INR will be loaded on my production order. So this is the general understanding of the template and the way to configure the template allocation. Next topic we will see in the next session in day 39. For today I am closing and we'll meet again tomorrow. Thank you.